Hello everyone, welcome to Overflow Archives. Today we are going to see how to set up Flutter using Android Studio. If your Android Studio version is 3.6 or higher, go to the configuration menu and select plugins. You will get the plugins window. Here go to Marketplace to install Flutter. If your Android Studio is prior to version 3.6, then do the same from Settings menu. The plugins will get listed here. Now select Flutter from the list and hit install. It will ask you to install Dart also, continue to install both. Now the plugins installing. After the installation of Flutter, you can see that the Dart plugin also got installed. Once the plugins are get installed, you have to restart the IDE to make sure they updated. We have installed the Flutter plugins. After this we need to install the Flutter SDK. Select Start a new Flutter project to begin. Choose the location where the SDK wants to be installed. Don't select Programming Files directory as it requires more permission. I am selecting the root of C drive. Once you selected the directory, the SDK will get cloned from internet and to the selected directory. This will take some time to get completed. After SDK installation, we have to set up the environment path for the Flutter SDK. Go to search and find the environment setup. In this, update the path of environmental variables in user profile setting. Append the path Flutter SDK location to path environment by editing user profile environment variables settings. After that, open Flutter SDK directory in command prompt and run flutter doctor command. It will run and provide Flutter status. Now all set. Open the Android Studio to create a Flutter application in Android. Here you can see that the Flutter SDK is ready. Click Next and set the package name for the application. Then proceed with Finish button and wait for the project window. Project window is opened, and it's syncing the project files. Since the virtual devices are not supporting, we need to connect a real device with the Android Studio. Once the project syncing completed, run the application in the real device. Here, I have connected a test device to install the Flutter application. Click the Run button to start the installation of the application. Wow, the Flutter application is installed in the device. Your setup for Flutter SDK is done. You can start your development and create great apps using Flutter now. Hope this will be useful to you. Please hit the like and share if you enjoyed this tutorial. And don't forget to click subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified on new updates in the channel. Thanks for watching and happy coding.